Ceramic coatings. Now, the average ceramic coating application ranges anywhere between $2,000 and $2,500 per car. The average cost of materials is about $200 to $250 per car. The average time to apply the ceramic coating from start to finish is about 2.5 to 4 hours. Now, with our ceramic coating system, it teaches the customer how to break down the paint itself, get it down to a bare surface, apply the ceramic coating, allow it to set up, remove any excess that may be on there. With ceramic coating, it not only makes the vehicle look better, it chemically bonds to the clear coat. It helps to protect the clear coat from aging, from normal wear and tear, hard water spots, bird droppings, anything that may fall onto the clear coat and affect the longevity of the actual clear coat. Once the ceramic coating is applied, it is very easy to maintain and take care of throughout the rest of the life of the vehicle. Now, we recommend that if you are going to take a ceramic coating class with us, we recommend you to also add on the paint correction system, because the ceramic coating will not only protect your clear coat, but it will also enhance whatever is on the clear coat and painted surface. With a paint correction system, it helps your ceramic coatings to look that much better when the process is repaired. Now again, this is a system that can be a standalone business by itself, or a great addition to an existing auto detail, paintless dent repair, windshield chip repair, or interior repair business that you may have. Now, here at the Dent King, we always say, the more you learn, the more you earn.